has become a core facet of the year 2021, enabling organisations to communicate, family and friends to stay connected, and even for medical practitioners to assess their patients. The impact of video conferencing and the opportunities it provides has been indisputable during the current pandemic, especially for organisations. Video conferencing has become a core facet of the year 2021, enabling organisations to communicate, family and friends to stay connected, and even for medical practitioners to assess their patients. The impact of video conferencing and the opportunities it provides has been indisputable during the current pandemic, especially for organisations who rapidly had to migrate from offices to a work-from-home environment. By 2024, research projects that the video conferencing industry will be worth $20 billion US. COVID-19 might be fading in the US, but hybrid work is probably permanent. That means the best video conferencing system is still a must-have for individuals as well as businesses. Just imagine if you could now have awesome killer software that gets you big fat thousands of dollars of commissions in your bank account without any traffic, product or work. It provides a virtually unlimited, untapped 24/7 income stream that maximises your profit with zero work for you. Yes, wait no more. We're proud to present our breakthrough video conferencing software, introducing PrimeMeet, the perfect solution to connect and collaborate. Offers live video chat, meeting, conference, live class, online training, webinar, podcast, peer-to-peer chat messaging, group chat, screen sharing, real-time file sharing. You can use it in multiple ways for your business too, such as jump on video calls with your clients, start live conferences with your team, or chat with your family and friends if you really want to impress them. PrimeMeet comes jam-packed with these incredible features. Conduct any type of meeting. Schedule or conduct instant meetings and webinars. Add contacts or create segments for invitation. Audio, video and screen sharing options. Live chat and real-time messaging. Real-time file sharing. Auto and manual screen locking. It's a perfect solution for conducting live classes, online consultations, training, conferences, webinars and podcasts. What's more, it's newbie-friendly and comes at a one-time low investment. That's incredible. See, you only need two things to sell and succeed online: traffic and a good product. Let us tell you that all traffic right now is going to live and recorded webinars, video meetings and whiteboard-style video presentations. Zoom has 300 million daily users, and there's no better way to sell than the power of video. So what if you could combine the power of unlimited traffic from live webinars, videos and events with the incredible potential to sell high-ticket products at high conversions? It's the one-of-a-kind webinar software in the market today that comes with a one-time low fee and can be set up under 2 minutes, and will allow you to run unlimited webinars and video meetings at a low one-time price. Set this up today and run unlimited webinars and meetings in the cloud for free traffic and big commissions. From small to large, PrimeMeet fits all business sizes. Large meetings, business meetings, seminars, online training programs, podcasts, webinar software just with a single click to join, and live interactive chats. PrimeMeet comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have 30 days to try and test. If it doesn't work for you, we can give you a refund on request. With PrimeMeet, you can network how you want. Host highly engaging and multiple webinars and meetings to grab your audience's attention. Offer a spectacular virtual environment to draw in participants. Get real-time analytics on attendee activities such as logins, chats, webinar views and downloads. Reach your audience in all corners of the world. Eliminate the cost of travel, food, accommodation and transportation. With various live tools and features inbuilt in the platform, it's easy to create a delightful experience and captivate your audience easily. It normally takes thousands of dollars to create software like this and months of waiting for designers and coders to create such a thing. We're giving it to you for a nominal price of $37. Can it get better than this? No, it does not. So waste no more time. Grab PrimeMeet and create immersive virtual meetings. Tap into the global craze for video meetings, live conferences and webinars for unlimited traffic. We can't wait to see you making super money with this breakthrough software.